here is a U.S. immigration fraud update. You need to stop and listen to this if you have applied for VAWA or you intend to apply for VAWA. This fraud update is a response by USCIS to two things. Number one, several recent criminal proceedings regarding VAWA fraud, including 3 large-scale or massive VAWA investigations in New York, Massachusetts, and the state of Maryland. Number two, it's in response to a lot of VAWA filings in recent times. Now, VAWA is an immigration process that allows qualifying abuse victims to get safety from deportation. It allows them to get work permits, to get green cards, and then to apply for U.S. citizenship in just 3 years. Last week, USCIS held a virtual briefing to discuss an upcoming change to the VAWA program. Number one, starting in December 2024, USCIS is going to begin conducting interviews for some VAWA self-petitioners who have both the VAWA application as well as a green card application pending. Not all VAWA self-petitioners will be interviewed, and individuals who have standalone VAWA cases without the green card application pending, they will not be interviewed. USCIS is going to continue to adjudicate many of the VAWA standalones without an interview. Number two, USCIS is going to begin mailing interview notices, and they're going to send it to your safe mailing address or to your attorney if you have one. Selection of the cases is not going to be in first in, first out order. This means that even if you applied for VAWA last month along with a green card application, you could be called for an interview ahead of someone or even before someone that applied last year. There's not going to be a particular or logical order to this interview scheduling. Number three, interviews are going to be conducted at the USCIS Field Office, which has jurisdiction over the self-petitioners, VAWA application, and green card application. You must appear in person for the scheduled interview. Number four, if you fail to appear in person, this could result in the denial of your case. You can reschedule. Just follow the interview notice, which has all the instructions. Number five, the interview will address both your VAWA application and your green card application. It will review eligibility. If you're selected for this interview process, you should be prepared to discuss anything you've submitted to USCIS as well as any information contained in your A file. Your A file is your immigration records. We can help you pull that up. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help with that. Number six, this change, it doesn't alter or change eligibility requirements or evidentiary standards that are set by law. If you're selected for a VAWA interview, it doesn't mean your case is going to get denied, or it doesn't mean that you're being suspected for fraud. Okay, so again, USCIS believes that the interviews will help them to detect fraud and address eligibility concerns. And so please be mindful of this update. If you have a VAWA pending or both VAWA and green card application pending, it's a good time to pull up all your immigration records from the U.S. embassies, Department of State, from USCIS, CBP, wherever. Make sure that there are no inconsistencies, it's internal inconsistencies on your record or inconsistencies with external factors in your circumstances. We can help you. We have a lot of experience in this case type. Give us a call, 802-780-0564. I'll see you soon in our next video. Bye.